Kitchener-Waterloo is like the same thing. Burlington, BBRL, that's Bottrell Robot League. That's what that stands for, and I will definitely be happy to yap about that. BCR is Burlington Community Robotics, so just in general, they run a pretty tight ship there. And there's also like FLL and similar programs in the area. Scarborough, FTC and FLL events. And for those in North York, there's FTC events. There's going to be a Bottrell event maybe in future years. I've heard about that actually. This is soon. And if you're in Ottawa, there's an off-season event happening. There's RA3D, and there's also like the Carleton University like first thing. Oh shoot, that's on the next slide actually. This is where Ottawa is. But yeah, there's like this Carleton University first organization, which is pretty interesting. If you're in Ottawa, you should get involved with them because they are the goats. They're I think a pretty new startup, so I think they're just trying to get things going. But they're definitely the ones to reach out to. Those of you in Kingston, there's FTC and FLL events. They need people, they need hands. Those of you in the GTA, the Mary Ward FRC, so that's makeshift robotics. And the Stemley Cup off season is happening. Stemley Cup overtime Sunday. If you haven't heard of it, you should hear of it because it's like the best off season ever. Also lovingly supported by Brendan. But there's also the FRC main event volunteering. I don't know actually what that was referring to, low-key, but those in Kitchener.
Just volunteering for events.
Like district events.
District events.
Master.
Yeah, that's true. McMaster does that event. And by the way, if you do volunteer at the McMaster event, you'll definitely see us there. We're gonna have a demo table outside here, and we set that up at the McMaster event. I'm gonna try to make that an annual thing. Anyway, those of you in Kitchener, there's a cool Big and Bockwell event happening in August, and you should totally come to it if you're going to come to any Bockwell event. It's the best one of the year. Robots plus camping equals super awesome.
When's the enrollment deadline?
Oh, it's not soon. It's happening in August. So go to bockwell.ca actually if you care.
Find it.